Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. If you're on a quest for the ultimate prop trading experience, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Leeloo Trading, a firm that promises to unveil the success secrets that could transform your trading journey. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about Leeloo, from their trading instruments to user reviews, fees, and unique features. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether Leeloo is the right fit for you. So stick around. First up, let's talk about the trading instruments. Leeloo Trading offers a diverse range of options, including futures trading. Engage with various markets like equity, FX, agriculture, and even cryptocurrency futures. Takeaway: choose instruments that align with your trading strategies and risk tolerance. Tip: diversifying your portfolio can help optimize potential returns. Market volatility: incorporate robust risk management techniques to navigate market fluctuations effectively. If you're finding this info helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading insights. Next, let's look at deposit amount requirements. With accounts ranging from $25,000 to $300,000, here's what you need to know. Pricing starts at just $26 per month, going up to $675 for larger accounts. Takeaway: be aware of the fee structure, as it can impact your overall trading performance. Tip: consider how your funding method can streamline your trading experience. Now, onto market leverage calculation methods. Understanding this is crucial for your trading strategy. Fee structure: Leeloo offers a transparent fee structure that influences your trading costs. Leverage limits: knowing these limits can help you assess risk and optimize your approach. What are your thoughts on leverage? Drop a comment below. User feedback is invaluable. With a Trustpilot rating of 4.9/5.0, here's what traders are saying. Transparency: users appreciate the clarity in fee structures and payment methods. Overall satisfaction: this high rating indicates a positive trading experience for many. Let's touch on regulatory compliance. Leeloo Trading adheres to industry standards, fostering trust among its users. Takeaway: prioritizing regulatory compliance ensures a secure trading environment. When it comes to trading software, Leeloo excels. Compatibility: supports a wide range of trading platforms. Customization: you can personalize your trading experience easily. If you're excited about what Leeloo has to offer, smash that subscribe button for updates on future content. Now let's break down the bonus policy. Traders receive an 80% profit split for the first year, increasing to 90% thereafter. Takeaway: this incentivizes consistent performance and growth. So there you have it. Leeloo Trading's success secrets unveiled. Whether it's their diverse trading instruments, transparent fee structures, or strong user ratings, they offer a compelling option for traders. If you're interested in learning more, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth trading insights. Thanks for watching, and happy trading. See you in the next video.